to Prabhakar's Family Kitchen. Today's recipe is carrot cheese sandwich. Let's check the ingredients. 2 carrots, grated, salt, turmeric powder, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon cheese, 1 bun and 4 slices of bread. Let's start preparing filling for the sandwich. 1 tablespoon oil. Let's add the green chilies. Onion. Fry well till it turns soft. We'll add little coriander leaves. Little turmeric powder. Salt. Now the onions are done. We'll add the carrot, which is grated. Add little water. Cook it on low flame. Now we'll check if it's cooked. Yes, it's done. Let's add the coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now we'll off the stove and allow it to cool. We'll apply butter. We'll apply cheese to the next 2 slices. Now we'll place the filling on it. Close it with the bread. The side we had buttered goes on top. Grease the toaster with butter so that the bread will not stick to it. Butter side down on the toaster. We'll apply cheese on the next bread. we'll apply some butter on top of the bread. This is very tasty. Children will like it. Now we'll close the sandwich maker and switch on. Sandwich is ready. Serve it with tomato sauce. The pan is hot. We'll apply some butter. We have cut the bun into two. Now we'll apply cheese on both the sides. This is to be done on low heat. Now place the cooked carrot. Now we'll off the stove.